Hey everyone, so I'm back with another tutorial for a Memory Dex card. I am using the Heidi Swap Memory Dex card dies, and I'm just going to cut it out with my Cuttlebug machine. And these papers are digitals that I used. I bought them on acdigitals.com, and this is Paige Taylor's Truly Grateful collection. So I'm going to cut that out, and this is what my Cuttlebug machine looks like. And I'm going to run it through and then do it another time so it has a back and a front and it's more sturdy. So now I'm just going to use some Barely Art glue and glue it together and then go over to my sewing machine and sew around it. And this card I am also making for the swap that I joined on Facebook. This is going to be for the letter B. The other one I did for A, and I will leave that link down below if you're interested to see. And the next one will be the letter C, although it was already chosen for us. It's for COVID-19, so I'm going to try and think of something more like on the cute side and yeah, keep it positive. So that's what it looks like. And I chose to do the yellow and orange side up. And these butterflies are from Paige Evans' Etsy store. They are SVG cut files, or you can just find some on like Google Images or draw some and cut them out. Yeah, I mean, you can do anything really. So I'm just gonna line these up on top of each other in different colors and then sew them down the middle after I put some glue to hold them together. So this is what they look like after I took them out of the sewing machine. Just sewed a straight line, and I left the tails a little long to give it some more like little pretty decorations, and I'm just curling up the sides. So now I am taking some double-sided sticky tape. I believe this one is, I don't remember what it's called, but I got it on Amazon. I think it's called like red something or sticky something. I don't remember. I will find it and I will leave it down below. And I'm just taking some crepe paper and ruffling it up along the sticky tape. So now I'm just trying to decide where I want the butterfly, if I want one or both on, or some more or less. But I definitely want this big one on because I love the colors. So I'm placing that in the corner because I know I want it there. I really like this one. I think it's the flowers, the pinks, and the purple. And the letter B because we're supposed to put the letter on it. So I just cut two out to make it kind of look like it had a shadow. And I'm seeing if I like it with the butterfly, but nah, I didn't like it. Trying to see where it goes. So like from here on out, I'm basically just going to decorate. These are ephemera from the Truly Grateful collection by Paige Evans, Pink Paislee. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and pop on some music and decorate. So I hope you enjoy how it comes out. I'm absolutely in love with it. I used some gemstones that I got from the dollar store, Dollar Tree. So yeah, if you like it, let me know down below. Have a good day. Bye.